Live from Minnesota, JW Solar USA. Guys, this is all we already built, guys. This is the off-grid solar system or partial off-grid and backup, whatever you want to call it. But this is what it is. This is what it looks like. All the work we've been doing, guys, is paid off. Well, not completely done yet because I still have to do some work up there with the Outback. So I have to finish up with that, and I haven't done completely yet with the configuration. I have to put the remote, the MEARTR, the router, so that I can able to pair them and or stack them. So yesterday the installation is almost done. It's a long hours of work, but worth every work or every penny. But I'm getting happy, and the system set up. And I hope you find this interesting. I hope you learned something from my videos. If you need guidance or whatever, you cannot do what I did, but you can able to build any other system you want. And if you want to follow some of the other instructions or whatever I've done, if you find that fascinating or find that helpful, it's a lot of learning materials there. So I want to give a shout out to all my viewers, all my regulars, and all my supporters, my cheerleaders. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you so much for your supports, and all the way to this time. As we're getting this thing almost done, and I just want to show you the progress. All I have to do now, I don't like those holes right there. That's where my former wires used to be. That's where the Outback used to be up there. So that's why the DC wires and the AC wires were coming out from those. And I'm going to try and seal those ones off. But the reason I don't want to seal them, I might probably be able to utilize them. I don't want to go back and pre-drill them again and re-drill them again, which they already pre-drill. Just want to show you how the system looks like. And like, subscribe, and share. Live from the command center of the JW Solar USA. We're going to be doing a lot of videos and a lot of reviews coming up. And we'll get from there. Okay? I just want to show you. And today I'm taking a break. I'm not doing this today. Maybe next week I got to do something. Well, who knows? I might probably come up with something. It's nothing to do with this COVID-19. Sitting home and work. Come back and stay home. So this is what it is. This is what it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Live from Minnesota, JW Solar USA. The command center is shining.